Hi everyone, it's me. I'm style and performance coach Julia. So I want to explain to you more about my membership perks on YouTube. I'm so excited to launch this because I felt that people around me needed a lot of help, and they have a lot of questions about how I started my business in Singapore. As you all know, Singapore is a very small country, but yet I managed to thrive in this environment. And now I'm also an international coach because I'm doing a lot of other business ventures like online courses as well as YouTube channel. I just got monetized, so I'm very excited to share with you my success stories. And because of this pandemic season, I would like to give back to the society by giving you a very affordable rate. So I have two tiers. One is $1 and one is $7. So I'm going to introduce to you more about me. So in this membership perks, where it's all about personal branding, I'm going to show you how you are going to thrive in your business. If you're this program that I actually come up with, it's very suitable for those who are entrepreneurs or home-based business person as well, or even if you're a salesperson and you find that you wanted to improve the way you speak, the way you present yourself to the world, and even if you're not comfortable on Zoom, right? Because every one of us right now are forced to do video calls. So I noticed when I was doing um, personal branding workshops for a lot of companies, a lot of the staff there do not on their videos because most of them are very shy. But do you know that shy is actually a handicap? So I'm going to teach you how to overcome that shyness, okay? Because I was a very shy person. I was very introvert as well. And because I need of my circumstances, okay, let me give you a brief intro about my story. So basically 11 years ago I was retrenched. I was from the fashion beauty industries. I was doing very well, but because of the year 2009, the Lehman Brothers collapse, right? So everything collapsed. So um, business in the beauty industry was not doing very well because I was in the travel retail industry. Okay, for if you all know, travel retail industries, right, are stores and counters in the airports. And during the 2009 crisis is similar to this right now. Nobody's traveling, so hence nobody's spending money. So hence that's why companies need to cut back, and half of us were gone. Okay, so that's the brief story of mine. And I was in depression after I lost my job. I just got my house and I just got married, so it was really depressing for me back then. Okay, so um, I was really literally no experience at all. I have sales experience, I have marketing experience, thank God for that. Because of all these experiences that I have since the beginning of my career in the fashion and beauty industry, I'm able to thrive very well in Singapore and right now overseas client as well. Recently I did a workshop for New York office for Victoria's Secret. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So it comes in two tiers, as I mentioned earlier. Let me give you a brief intro about who am I. So, my mission right now for this membership perks, right, is to help entrepreneurs or salesperson to reignite your dreams and to help you to consistently achieve success. So here's me before. This is me, 28 years old. This is me, 33 years old, and that's me at 35 years old. So this is me right now at 44. Okay. So to tell you the truth, I'm also still with Mary Kay. I've been doing Mary Kay business for 11 years. Okay, so I was from the fashion beauty industry. I was retrenched, as mentioned earlier. I was a top salesperson for Mary Kay for sales director category for 3 years. In Mary Kay Singapore right now, Queen of Sales, no one has beat my target, or I mean, no one has beat my record so far. Okay, I was the history maker in Mary Kay Singapore. All right, so I'm financially independent because of that, and it helped me to double up my market value, and I created a brand and personality. I learned how to work hard on myself and on my job, learn how to plan my work and work my plan. And courage is going from failure to failure. I'll always remember Winston Churchill's quotations, right? And also life skills. Okay, because of doing my own business, I learned how to grow, personal development wise, right? I learned how to speak well because I used to be from a very introverted, as in like I was introvert and I was a very shy person. And if you ask me to go on stage back then, 11 years ago, I can't. I simply can't. So that's why whenever there's presentation, I always push it to my boss to do it or my colleagues to do it. I never did presentations, if you believe it or not. But 11 years ago, I was forced to doing my own business because I need the money, and at 33 years old in Singapore, I couldn't find any job because I was from the fashion beauty industry. I was from the marketing unit, so it was a spending unit. So no one was, expanding their business nor expanding their marketing team. So hence, I was forced to doing part time in a hospital as a data entry clerk. Okay, and that's how I survived. But by July 2010, I told myself I'm going to do full time in Mary Kay, and from July onwards, right up to December, I have gone through a lot of corporate clients, and I also done a lot of sales. I remember the first year as a sales person in Mary Kay, as a beauty consultant. I was number fourth uh, in Singapore and Malaysia. So when I became director, I was number one. So I truly believe that if you put your mind to it, right, when you focus, you can achieve. So this is why I produced this program, so I could help you into mentally, you know, be strong, because when you're doing your own business, you need to be very, very strong mentally, right? And then take back your personal power, because there'll be a lot of colleagues or, your friends who are pouring cold water on you, as in like discouragement to you, who do not believe in you. So I wanted to produce this motivation course to help all the entrepreneurs and salesperson who are struggling with their business, right, come on board. Okay, so that's why I am charging quite affordable price just for this pandemic season. Okay, usually if I do like a private consultation, it's 1 hour $390. So if I'm doing like a 1 month, like a monthly business quotation, business coaching, right, it'll be about 3,008 a month. All right. So in the network marketing business, I learned how to sell, recruit, promote, and motivate people. So if you're in a network marketing business, come and join us as well. Because Asian context, we behave very differently from the Caucasian context, right? So I hope I could help you here in my this YouTube membership perks. Okay, and so I throughout this business, I learned how to praise people's success, and that's how I succeed in doing network marketing business for 11 years and my image consultancy business for 11 years as well. Okay, so this is just to prove to you that I'm a Mary Kay queen of sales for sales director category in 2012, 13, and 14. Okay, thanks to Mary Kay, I'm able to stand in front of people and talk, right? Even going on stage, because 2 years ago I did a national event for SkillFisher agencies, and then it was about 500 audience. So it was really like I was no longer afraid. I was able to stand on stage and present. So that's me in MediaCorp, and they also want me to teach on. They want me to share on image and makeup as well, grooming. And I'm also a Women's Weekly magazine makeup artist, freelance. Sometimes if they need me, I'll go there and do makeup for them. And Irene Ang is one of our famous celebrities in Singapore. So I have the privilege to do makeup for her in this iWeekly magazine. Mount Elizabeth Hospital. These are all the nursing managers in Mount Elizabeth Hospital. So I'm very, very honored to be invited by them to share my expertise and doing makeup and grooming for them. Excuse me, sorry. And I was invited by National University of Singapore to do a grooming talk for the nursing faculties. This is for NTU, Nanyang Technological of University in Singapore, also one of the top 3 university in Singapore. So these are all the research assistants. So they wanted to be the next professors in NTU. So I'm there to actually provide knowledge on styling and also grooming. These are all the secretaries in United Overseas Bank, Charles and Keith frontliners. So I was the guest speaker for SkillFisher event, and I was invited to KL and Penang to do a great confidence workshop, and also in Coca-Cola men's grooming workshop. So you can see many of my clients are quite multinational company, and also big universities in Singapore as well, and also local big companies in Singapore. So NTUC was also one of my clients. And recently I did a personal branding for home ec group. So I did a training with the clients in London and the organizer Loretta, also known as Adoronke. She said, "What an amazing time we had with Style and Performance Coach Julia. Thank you for all the tips and nuggets, Julia. I am certainly coming back for more. Above all, thank you for sharing your precious time and passion with us." So you can find all the testimonials I have on my Facebook. Okay, next. I recently did a vision board workshop with Victoria's Secrets from New York. So this is also one of the testimonials I got. We were all very inspired by the vision board session with Julia. Each of us unlock energizing ideas for our futures. All right, so these are some of the clients that I have. So I just want to briefly introduce to you who they are. So highlights of this video. So as I mentioned earlier, I have two tiers, $1 monthly membership perks. So if you choose the $1 one, I'll teach you how to sell your beauty products to your network, how to try for working from home. I will teach you how to tell, don't sell. I will teach you how to be mentally strong and take back your power. You can ask questions and I'll reply back via email or sometimes via videos. You'll be invited to be on a secret Facebook group upon confirmation of payment. You will also get a shout out on my videos if you happen to be on my live. Okay. So this is my top number 2 membership perks. The $7 one, okay, which is about personal branding. The process of personal branding involves finding your uniqueness, building a reputation on the things you want to be known for, and then allowing yourself to be known for that. So think about how you present yourself. So in the video, in the $7 perks, where I'll teach you how to present yourself. Um, I'll teach you how to release the tension from your face, smile at the world. A dignified posture when sitting is an affirmation of inner peace and freedom and harmony. The way we carry ourselves, our smile, our facial expressions, our gaze are precious gifts. We should all learn how to dress for ourselves, dress for success, how to promote yourself, and how to talk. So I'll teach you how to talk, okay? So this is my $7 monthly membership perks. How to be successful in your home-based business. We will share on how to crush your goals, how to be mentally strong and take back your power, how to cultivate relationship marketing with your clients, how to become networking guru, effective public speaking tips for newbies, and how to gain your customers' trust, how to generate word of mouth, how to deal with difficult people, and how to increase sales. You have a chance to appear in my videos and get a shout out too. So for this $7 perks membership, okay, per month, right, it's going to be, there'll be a Zoom meeting. So, on one Saturday per month from 10:30 to 11:30, you'll have a chance to appear in my videos and, you'll be monetarily support me and I will share my success and strategies on how to do your business online and offline. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Feel free to ask me, and I'll do a video to answer your questions. There'll be membership videos on the YouTube channel. Okay. Okay. So all of you know that I'm also a performance coach, right? It's similar to life coach. So I will teach you how to, improve your wheels of life. Maybe some of you may want to improve the way you look. Some of you may want to improve the way you have relationships with your friends or customers, and it doesn't seem to gel very well, So I will actually, help you to identify your limiting beliefs, okay? And then also if you want to improve your confidence, right? And I will have a roadmap for you to live the life that you deserve. So normally my private coaching session available is $200 for an hour. Okay, so if you're interested, just DM me for information. Okay, so you must give customers more than they expect and always satisfy your customers' complaints immediately. Try to listen 80% of the time and talk only 20%. Asking questions and choosing products based on their individual needs will keep them coming back. So you must earn and maintain their trust. Once you have their trust, you can always ask for referrals, which leads to even more business. So this is my motto. All right, so live by that and I will also teach you how to do this. So this is my contact. Please follow me on all my social media if you have any queries regards to the membership perks email me, julia@styleandbeautyexperts.com, and I will reply to you personally myself. So thank you all so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video, and thank you so much for the support if you are supporting my membership perks, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you. Bye bye.